Again, Josh. Okay, now this is a video request for Yoda 899. It's one of my first video requests, and so I'm gonna be doing fart noises. Would you like to help out, my friend?
I'll make him help out.
Josh. Okay. Josh. Sorry about him. He's just an idiot. Josh, say hello to my little friend. Okay, he's giving me the middle finger. It's not the middle one, it's this one. Say hello to my little. Okay, there's his little friend. And here's mine. If I had my lightsaber with me right now, I'd slice you up in two. I think.
No, no, I'm gonna go next to your head. I'm gonna keep pushing. You know, it's gonna go next to your head.
Yeah. That's it. I guess bullets really do kill rather than farts stink.
You know how we do. This is how we do. You know how we do.
Forgive my friend, he's just trying to interrupt us.
You know how we do. This is how
Josh!
we do. You know how we do. You know how we do. You know how
Okay.
we do. This is how we do. Okay.
Okay, now. I'm gonna try and do the national anthem like this.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light was so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars you can pick up right through here, through the perilous fight, for the ramparts we watch. Okay.
That's all for right now. So this is Tim Prime 1 signing off.